So guys, for the first step, you want to fully close out of Discord. Now to do that, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow, then you want to find Discord. You want to right click on it, and then click on quit Discord. And now once you close out of Discord, for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in %local app data %sign. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down, and then double click on Discord, and then click on the app folder. And now you want to find discord.exe. You want to right click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on compatibility, and then you want to tick run this program as an administrator, and then click on OK. Now you want to double click on Discord, and then click on yes. And then once you're on Discord, you want to head over to settings. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down, and then you want to click on game overlay, and then you want to turn off game overlay and turn it back on again. Now you want to go to register the games, and now you want to click on add it. Make sure that your game is running in the background. And now you want to click on the drop down, then you want to add your game or your application. Once you add that, you want to toggle it on. Make sure that you have it turned on. And now you want to head over to advanced, and then you want to turn off hardware acceleration. And then click on OK, which is now going to restart Discord. And this should have now fixed your problem. By the way, if you do want hardware acceleration to come back on again, you could just turn it on. But make sure that you do turn it off first so that it restarts your Discord. But if you do want to turn it back on again afterwards, then you can do that, and this should now fix your problem. If that's still not working for the second method, you just want to uninstall and reinstall Discord. So again, in the bottom of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. Now you want to right click on Discord and then click on quit Discord. Now you want to head over to search and type in %app data %sign. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find Discord. Delete this folder. And now you want to head over to search again and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find Discord. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall it. And then once you uninstall Discord, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description to just re-download it again. This should now fix your problem.